kids, happy New Year, kids. So let's draw the new card drawing with me. Are you ready? First, I'll draw the background. Actually, this is Curtain's draw. The lights, write the happy. New like to draw the new year drawing. Also draw the balloons and make the drawing so beautiful. Also, color in the lights. I like balloons. Do you like balloons? Wow, that's awesome! You can draw this for your friend. Let's coloring with me. I like coloring so much. Use the different color in the drawing. I use the red, pink, and orange color in balloons. Use green and yellow color in curtains. Green and yellow color looks beautiful. Different colors make the drawing so beautiful. It looks so beautiful and amazing. Don't forget to write the 2026. Forget to double the letters. The hearts look so beautiful.